I bought this car off a couple who had the floor pans and rocker panels replaced years ago. It had a partial restoration, as they say, but for some reason these slides didn't get put in. Any air-cooled car from the 60s and 70s, a Volkswagen Beetle, a Porsche, even a Corvair. There is no coolant system in the car, so it's air-cooled. That's the key there. The heat that is generated inside the car is generated from the engine heat exchangers in the back. Right here we have the inlet for the driver's side heat exchanger and the passenger side heat exchanger right there. That takes hot engine air in, runs it past the exhaust, through the rocker panel, and then it goes into here. And there's the blower motor down there. Look at that blower motor, weird, eh? Now we've got this lever right here. This is the heat exchanger lever. This is opening and closing the flaps underneath the car in the back and allowing and closing and shutting off the hot air. Anyways, we've got these slider vents. So on each side panel here inside the car is this little vent, and it opens and it closes to allow air to come into the cabin of the car at your feet. Without them there, all the air escapes into the lower cabin area, and I can't divert heat up into the blower system to put it onto my dash. So I can stuff some rags in it, but that won't do. It's mid-September right now, and I'd like to keep driving the car for at least another month or two, and I'd like some heat on the windscreen so that I can defrost it a bit. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab a boroscope, and that's what I'm doing right here, and we're going to take a look down the rocker panel on the inside. I just want to see if there's any holes in there. I'm assuming that I'm going to be drilling new holes, but if there are pre-existing holes in there, I would really like to reuse them if possible. Since I've got to go over the carpet, I'm going to take a look inside the inside that channel to see if there are any holes or see what I'm dealing with down there. Anyways, let's take a look. Everything looks good. So I don't need to worry about any holes. Like, we're just gonna make new ones. This is where I keep my stash of good drill bits, the ones that nobody else is allowed to use. I think I'll slide this off right now. I don't need it. Okay. Don't want to over tighten that. Oh, there we go, nice. Just gonna put that one back in for now. Slide that back in. Definitely not going easy this one. Alright, so side number one is done. Left side. There we go. Okay, let's move over to the passenger side. If all works out as it should, I should be able to control the heat in the cabin of the car while sending heat up to the windscreen to defrost it. I'll tell you how it works on the next cold day. Thanks for watching.